Hi guys, this is writing linear functions number 3. So first question is word problem. They want C at 50, so this is the equation they've given above. So I'm going to plug in 50 for that. So I get 450 plus 3 times 50. That's going to give me 450 plus 150. That's equal to 600. In the context of the problem, that would mean that if you were to make 50 candles, it would cost you $600. Sorry about that. Number 3, what does the y-intercept mean in the context of the problem? Well, the y-intercept is going to be C at 0, which gives me 450 plus 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is just 0, so 450. So if I don't make any candles, there's still a $450 setup fee. Number 5, they say the employee says, hey, this is the claim. So let's take that and plug it in. So C at 200, and we're going to see if we can get to this answer, is equal to 450 plus 3 times 200, which is 450 plus 600. This comes out to 1,050. Okay, so the cost to make 200 candles should be 1,050. This person said it only costs 1,000, so they underestimated how much the cost of those candles would be. Number 7, this talks about a climber. So from 11 a.m. to 11:45, so in 45 minutes, they climbed 90 feet. Okay, and then we also know that it started scaling at 350 foot, starts at the bottom of the cliff, and has climbed at 90 feet. So basically, you can look at this a couple different ways. We can say, we can go with this, or we could say, you know what, it looks like they did 90 feet in 45 minutes. So if we reduce that, we have a slope of 2. So that means that they are climbing at 2 feet for every minute. 2 feet per minute. That's our slope. And then write the linear equation that goes with this. Well, they want to get up to 350 feet. Okay, so slope is this plus 350. There's our linear equation. What time does the climber reach the top of the cliff? Okay, so we know that they're climbing at 2 feet per minute. So why don't you ask in your class to make sure that it's verified the right way? Okay. For problem number 9, we want to do f at negative 20. So I'm going to take that negative 20 and plug it in for x. Negative is positive. 5 goes into 24 times, so that's going to give me 12 plus 1, so that's 13. And number 11, we're looking at the slopes. So f at x has a slope of 0.7x. I'm not writing the whole equation. G at x has a slope of 2/3. H at x has a slope of -2. And p at x has a slope of -7/2. So a couple ways we can do this. Oops, I should just have that. So 0.7, this is 0.67 rounded to 2 decimal places. This is -2, and this is -3.5. So this is going to be the steepest slope. Even though it's descending, it's the steepest slope. And then calculate f at 8. F at 8, we're going to look at our f at x equation, which was this. We're going to plug 8 in for the x. So that's going to be 1.5 plus 5.6. So that's going to give me 1, carry the 1, 7.1 is the result on that. Thank you very much, everybody.